Hi guys, I'm back with my next video in which we will continue our journey with commonly used phrases and basic conversation. So let's get started. Mr., Mrs. and Miss are the titles used before surnames or full names as a sign of respect. So let's see how a French person uses these titles. Mr. in French is pronounced as Monsieur. Monsieur. Madam or Mrs. in French is pronounced as Madame. Madame. Miss in French is pronounced as Mademoiselle. 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 Ladies and gentlemen is a common expression used to address an audience or crowd. So let's see how we can address our audience in French. Mesdames et messieurs. Mesdames et messieurs. Mesdames et messieurs. Hello, how are you? How old are you? Where are you from? Etc. are basic parts of conversation. So let's see these basic parts of conversation in French now. How are you is spoken in 4 ways in French. 1 formal, 3 informal. Comment allez-vous? In formal way. Comment allez-vous? 3 informal ways. First, comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Second, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Ça va? Ça va? I'm fine in French is spoken in 2 ways. 1 formal, 1 informal. So, let's see the formal way. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. In an informal manner, ça va bien. Ça va bien. What is your name? Is spoken in 3 ways in French. 2 formal, 1 informal. So let's see the 2 formal ways first. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Second, comment vous vous appelez? Comment vous vous appelez? Informal way, comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? In English, when you introduce yourself, you say, my name is Kashika, my name is Kiran, or my name is Bunny. So let's see how a French person introduces himself. Je m'appelle Kashika. Je m'appelle Kiran. Je m'appelle Kashika. Je m'appelle Kashika. Je m'appelle Kashika. How old are you? There are 2 ways to ask this question in French. 1 formal, another informal. So, the first formal one. Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? The informal one. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? In English, we say, I am 24 years old. I am 30 years old. So let's see how you can say this phrase in French. J'ai 25 ans. J'ai 30 ans. For this, you need to remember the numbers thoroughly. 25 ans, 25 years old. 30 ans, 30 years old. Where do you live? In French is spoken in 2 ways. 1 formal, another informal. So let's see the formal one first. Où habitez-vous? Où habitez-vous? The informal one now. Tu habites où? Tu habite où. In English, we say, I live in Jalandhar, I live in Bathinda. So let's see how you can say this sentence in French now. J'habite à Jalandhar. J'habite à Bathinda. Where are you from? In French is spoken in two ways. One formal, another informal. So let's see the formal one first. Vous êtes d'où? Vous êtes d'où? In an informal manner, tu es d'où? Tu es d'où? In English, you say, I'm from Punjab, I'm from Chandigarh, I'm from Delhi. So let's see how you can say this sentence in French. There are two ways to say this sentence. First, je suis de Punjab. Je suis de Chandigarh. Second one, je viens de Mumbai. Je viens de Gujarat. Je viens de means I come from. I come from Mumbai. I come from Gujarat. So, je viens de Mumbai. When you end a conversation, you usually say, see you soon, see you later, let's go, or see you tomorrow. So let's see how these phrases are pronounced in French. See you soon in French is spoken as à bientôt. À bientôt. See you tomorrow in French is spoken as à demain. À demain. À demain. See you later in French is spoken as à plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard. Let's go in French is spoken as allons-y. 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 Merci beaucoup guys. Mercy. Thank you for liking our previous video so much. So please give it a thumbs up if you like this video also, and do mention in the comment box how you like our video and share as much as you can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel E-connaissance and hit the bell button so you get notified when the next video is live. Merci, au revoir.